Recall the definition of blood plasma. It is the liquid, extracellular component of blood in which cells are suspended. It makes up about 55% of blood volume and is mostly water, 90%. It contains dissolved proteins, albumin, globulins, fibrinogen, nutrients, glucose, amino acids, lipids, hormones, waste products, urea, CO2 in small amounts, and electrolytes/ions, Na, K, Cl, etc. Its main functions include transporting these substances, maintaining osmotic pressure, largely via albumin, buffering pH, and contributing to clotting, via fibrinogen and other factors. Now let's evaluate each option to find the correct statement about blood plasma. Option A says plasma consists mainly of red blood cells and focuses on oxygen transport. This actually describes the role of red blood cells in hemoglobin, not plasma. Option B equates plasma with serum and states it contains fibrinogen. This is incorrect because serum is plasma without clotting factors, including fibrinogen. Option C accurately states the volume fraction, water percentage, major solutes, and functions of plasma. This matches standard physiology. Option D claims that hemoglobin is dissolved in plasma and red blood cells serve only as structural scaffolding. This is false because hemoglobin is contained within red blood cells. Option E states that plasma constitutes 95% of blood volume. This is incorrect. Plasma makes up about 55% of blood volume. Thus, the correct answer is option C, which accurately describes blood plasma.